What does process energy monitoring hexagon do? Calculates AC energy consumed by the machine and correlate it to part production. To achieve this, it records kilowatts per hour, current and power factor information. How is data collected? Data is collected automatically from an AC digital meter deployed on the machine into a central server. How can the data be used? It comes with ready-made dashboards and reports. Use reports to understand 1. Average energy consumption per part in a shift and hence energy cost per part. 2. Energy consumption trend over a month by machine.